Hey, what's up guys, Crypto Jiri back again. In this video I'm going to show you something new. Not only we do charts and news on this channel, but also show you how to program your own trading bot, but also blockchain code in the future. So using Metatrader 4, and for this is a great skill to have in the trading business. Not only can you test in or automate your own trading strategies, but if you just start out and looking to make some money to trade with, there are all kinds of people out there that are willing to pay you to build their bots for them to Metatrader or other trading platforms as well. In the actual traditional trading world, people called quant traders who do back testing and developing strategies, which I will show you a little bit for today. Also, programmer who develops trading softwares. Big hedge funds and banks do use this to save time and money. Knowing how to code will surely help you get through this video. The language you know how to code in this doesn't matter much, as the mql for trading programming language is a pretty basic, and experience in any other modern language should allow you to jump right in, even if you have no programming experience. So feel free to follow along. You could probably pick it up pretty quick. It's a two-part of the steps is going to focus on backtesting, and you won't need any programming knowledge for that. Once again, a disclaimer: the bots we are building this for demonstration purposes only. Please don't try using this bot for real. It's very simple, will not make you money, but let this bot be a starting point for learning how to build bots, and will make you a lot of money in the near future if you, of course, take it seriously. So again, do not use this on a real account, guys. I'm very serious about that. All right, guys. So you can see this is the Hugo's terminal. Hugo's is basically just a broker, but this is the one that I'll be using. Metatrader, you could download it for free. 4 and 5 will work on both of them. It just depends on which one you really want to do and try out. I'll put both of them in the link descriptions, though. Quick downloads for Mac as well as Windows OS. So the first thing you'll be able to do is, as soon as you have your Metatrader open up, of course, log into like a demo account, which I'll be using myself, or a live account. Personally, I would say do a demo, like I said before. This is a bot for educational purposes to teach you on how to code it and where to go from there, but not to trade it, okay? So first thing you'll do is go to Tools, go to MetaQuote's language editor. As soon as that opens up, you'll be going to New, and then there's different types. So script is basically just a one action. Customer indicator is basically giving you buys and sells, and then expert advisor basically gives you buy and sell actions, as well as doing moving averages and all other different types of trading strategies. So we'll click on the expert advisor, click next, and then name it whatever you want to name it. All right, put whatever author you want to put, and then whatever link you want to put, and then click next. On time or on chart event, I'll talk about those in a different video, guys, if you guys want me to do another video on it. But for now, we won't do anything with those. Click next and finish. All right, so the first thing you'll be seeing is a terminal is going to pop up. As you guys can see, right, all the properties and functions we put in the last one. And then here, as you guys can see, you got the init on it, and then the void on denit, and then void on tick, right? So basically, init is going to basically execute whatever we have that we've coded in the void on tick. So basically, we'll be coding in this box, and then whatever our function or variable is, we'll put it back onto the on it. All right. All right, guys. So the first thing that we'll be coding, we'll go to the initial order. We'll put that in there. Give some space for that. And then, so the next thing that we'll be going to do is put some space there. So we'll do a double moving average, since that's what we're going to be using for this bot. So null basically just means the whole chart. 0 means basically everything, and then 15 is basically the time frame of it. And then we'll do mode SMA, so mode moving average. Don't forget to capitalize everything, guys. That happens to me a lot too. So it's nothing to be worried about. As well as be careful of syntax for errors. And then we'll do price median. And then 0 again. And remember, if you guys are wondering why I'm typing kind of, here, let's see, moving average. Okay, cool. So we'll open the current price to basically to 0. All right, and then we'll do the last price of where the moving average was, and we'll put that to 1. All right, and then we'll do an if statement, which is basically going to be the current price for the moving average. Current price, just over the last price of the moving average. And then we'll do sell there. So that's going to be our sell, and then the order confirmation will be order send null. Put a buy order in there. Do the current price again. All right, so we got the order sell for that, which is awesome. Oh, I made a little mistake there. It's supposed to be a sell order. There we go. All right, so this is going to be our sell order. If the moving average is below it, sorry, above it, that'll go for a sell. And now what we're going to do is create an else if statement for the buy. All right, so we'll do this. Go back over here like so. We'll do an else if statement. So this will be our buy order. All right, order equals order send. No. Alright guys, as you can see, we just coded the buy and sell moving average. And then of course here is the alert for the last price. So once we are done with all of that, what we'll do is click compile, and then over here where the errors are, you're going to see how many errors we have. So we have 4 errors, which is completely fine because in coding as well as computer science, you're going to find that a lot, right? So let's take a look. So on line 43, it says null undeclared identifier, right? So let's take a look. So as we can see, right, there's a null. So the big issue right here is basically I didn't capitalize it, which is completely fine. Happens a lot, right? Next one, line 43, implicit conversion from number to string. So if we do compile again, right now we only have 2 left. So implicit conversion from number to string. So basically right there, what they are talking about is that the numbers are not correct, which is completely fine, because what we'll do is find out on why it is not correct. So if we do take a look on line 49, all right, so last price, which is the alert, colon, parentheses, last price, right, current price to plus current price, right? All right, guys, so from here, what you'll do is click on demo bot, move it to experts, and then we'll go back to Hugo's way. We'll go to the expert advisors, click refresh, and then here's our bot. And all you do is drag it to the chart, whichever one you want to trade on, click OK. And then from there, you just start getting alerts on last price as well as right, the current price and stuff like that. So click OK. Of course, it's going to keep popping up. So what you'll do is right click, click on expert advisors and remove. It'll stop doing that for you. All right, guys, so the next thing that we'll be going to do is we're going to be doing back end testing for our bot, right? So if we go to view and then we click on strategy tester, right, this is basically where we'll be doing all of our work. If we do click on our demo, which is here, right, and then we could do whichever symbol we want. I'm going to do Bitcoin because, of course, we are a crypto channel. The model, I'm going to introduce that to another video on how to do that because it does take a while to explain all of these control points, but we're going to do every tick. It's going to say like the 1970s over here for the dates, so click on use to date, and then if you want, do the week. That's what I'm going to do, so Monday to Saturday, which is today. And then we'll do a hour 1 chart, or you could do whichever time frame you will want for the period. Spread, just leave it at current, and then click start. So as you can see, it'll take a long time because it's taking all the charts data from this past week. So let's see what will happen. All right. So as soon as it goes green, you just go on results. So as you guys can see, right, we did not make any profit. We actually lost $8,000. So like I said, guys, this is just a reminder. Don't use this bot in the long run. I'll show you a graph as well and the report of how much gross loss we've lost, as well as gross profit, of course, is 0. All right. But let's see if we do day trading with this guy. Click start again, see what happens. Go to results, and of course, we made a bunch of profit. Go to graph and then report. So our gross loss is $0, and then our gross profit is $14,000. So maybe this is a good for day trading, not a week trade, right? But like I said again, do not use this for real use this just to give you a good heads up on what's out there. All right. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, keep trading, and don't forget to always keep hodling, guys. Have a great day.